Kailan nga ba ang pinaka-perfect time to start investing? It is actually today. Kapatid, if you start investing today ng 1,000 pesos every single month and ilagay mo siya in a vehicle that will give you 7% interest every single year, in 5 years' time, that will be more than 70,000 pesos. In 10 years' time, that will be more than 170,000 pesos. In 20 years' time, that will be more than 500,000 pesos. Kapatid, yan ang sekreto ng compounding interest. Even in the stock market, if you are invested for the long term, you could get at least 12% interest every single year. Kapatid, hindi timing ang sikreto. It's actually your time in the markets. Kaya, start investing today. See you on my next video.